Hello, Cardinals! Today we're going to be using the Rhythm Trainer. So you're going to click on the link and it should take you to a page like this. Once we're here, we're going to leave the mode in A, but change the tempo to slow. The beat highlight, we want that on. Then we go down to here to the rhythms to use, and we've got our ta and tadi. Then we're going to select our rest. Then click go. Once we're here, we're going to click the play button. Then I'm going to click what I heard. Tadi, tadi, rest, tadi. I'm going to play it again just to make sure. And once I'm confident, I'm going to click check my answer. And I got 1 out of 1. Awesome. Then you'll go to the next one. I think that was ta, rest, rest, ta. Check it again. I think that's right. I'm going to check my answer. Awesome, 2 for 2. Great. See how many you can get.